Hi friends, it's Pastor Angel and I'm so glad that you could join me today. We're going to do some worship and a Bible story. We're going to go see what Ollie is up to. Do you guys want to do that? I do. Alright, so if you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Let me see those thumbs. Good job. Alright, let's go see what they're up to. Come on.
Yes, he do.
He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. Let's go. I know that I can trust him. Yeah. I know that I can trust him. Yeah. No matter what the season, yeah. His plans are for a reason. Yeah. I know they are good, I know they are best. The reason I know is because he said he's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. That's what I know, oh, that's what I know. And when I'm feeling so sad, hey, when I am afraid, God will never leave me, no, 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 His love will never change. I know they are good, I know they are best. The reason I know is because He said He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know.
You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Oh, hello there, friends. Welcome to the clubhouse. It's me, Kai. I'm so glad you're all here today. I was getting ready for the big ice cream sundae party at the clubhouse. These pictures are a step-by-step plan on how to make the most fantastic, most spectacular, most yummiest to the tummiest ice cream sundae ever. Step 1, you get a bowl, a spoon, and a napkin, then you're ready to make an ice cream sundae. Step 2, add ice cream to the bowl. It can be any kind of ice cream you want. Step 3, add the toppings. Ice cream sundaes need lots of toppings. Step 4, and what's the last thing we do with our ice cream sundae? We eat it. What a great plan.
Hoo, hoo.
It's Ollie.
Hello, Kai. Hoo, hoo. What are you up to?
Hi, Ollie. Well, I just finished putting together my plan to make the perfect ice cream sundae.
Yes, that is an excellent plan. It's true. I have a story about another great plan for you. Just listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hello friends! I'm Casey, and I'm helping out at the cupcake food truck. Do you want to see my latest, most delicious creation? Ta-da! These are my Sweet Dreams cupcakes because in today's story, we're going to talk about someone who had some pretty amazing dreams. If you're ready, on the count of 3, yell, "Tell me a story." 1, 2, 3! Tell me a story! Woo! This is Joseph. He was put in jail, even though he had done nothing wrong. Being in jail was hard for Joseph, but God had a different plan. One day, the king of all of Egypt, the Pharaoh, had some dreams he didn't understand. They were about 7 cows. Cows? What do cows say? Moo! You're right. Dreaming about cows is funny. Wait, let's count the cows in Pharaoh's dream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job! 7 cows. The Pharaoh also dreamed about stalks of grain. Grain? We make bread out of grain. Let's pretend to have a snack. Yum. Yum! Pharaoh wanted to know what his dreams meant. And drum roll, please. He asked Joseph to help him. Hooray! Joseph was brought out of jail straight to the Pharaoh. He told Pharaoh that the dreams were from God, that Pharaoh needed to save lots and lots of grain because his people were going to be hungry and need it later. Pharaoh was so happy to know what his dreams meant that he gave Joseph a very special job. He put Joseph in charge of all of Egypt. Years later, the dreams came true. People were hungry and didn't have food, so they traveled from all over to get grain from Joseph. Wow! God's plan was for Joseph to help all these people. God has a plan for us too. And God's plan is the best plan. Did you like the story? If you did, give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up! Hey, Ollie, tell me, who has a plan for you?
God has a plan for me. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who has a plan for you?
God has a plan for me. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time.
So there's your story. It's all true. Joseph followed God's plan, and we should too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, I loved that story. Joseph followed God's plan and helped so many people. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I'm excited about following this plan. It's going to be delicious. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Jeremiah 29:11.
What a great time of worship and a Bible story. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. We learned about Joseph and how Joseph told the king about his dreams, and that God's plan for Joseph was that Joseph would save lots of people even though he went through something hard. We learned that God's plan us is the best plan. And you guys, God has a plan for you too. He has a plan for all of us. And that His plan for our life is the best plan. All right, are you guys ready for the memory verse? I am. All right, repeat after me on 3. 1, 2, 3. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Jeremiah 29:11. Good job. Let's do it one more time on 3. 1, 2, 3. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Jeremiah 29:11. Good job, guys. Well done. I'm so proud of you. I love you. I miss you. We'll see you next time. Bye.